Hello.
Welcome
back to our channel.
Today we are cooking garlic fried rice.
It is so delicious, guys. I mean, it is packed with flavor in this rice with only a few ingredients.
So, let's get started. Okay, these are the ingredients that we're going to start out with today. First, we have some rice, pre-cooked, leftover rice actually. Then we have 4 eggs, already mixed. We have 3 cloves of garlic. We have some spring onions. We have a little sesame seed oil, about 2 tablespoons. We have about a tablespoon and a half of soy sauce. And these are the seasoning that we're going to use. We have black pepper, white pepper, salt, and parsley. Now, that's what we're going to use to mix up our delicious meal today.
All right. So, hubby is going to do the honors.
Oh, I'm going to do that?
You're going to, okay, I'll do the honors.
I'm going to give it to you.
Okay. Well, can you pour that oil in there for me?
This is a hot wok.
It's a very hot wok, which we need, and I don't have my spatula, a wooden spatula. I'm going to turn this wok. It's hot. So, what y'all think about hubby and our new wok we got here? It's an iron wok. So, what we're going to do is, I'm going to go ahead and pour in the egg first. We're going to do this really quick, as you all can see, this is smoking. So,
Yep.
All right, egg is in, egg is in, egg is in. All right, and in that egg, we're going to put our blend of seasonings. I already told y'all what was in there. I'm going to go ahead on and get that mixed up. I think I heard you doing something. I don't know how you doing that. Okay.
No.
All right, baby. I'm going to just sit there. All right. Well, this going to be quick, baby. Get all the rice, and go ahead on and give me a, you're going to try to pour it out. I don't know if it's going to fit all, baby, so just be careful. So, guys, as you can see, I'm kind of just mixing everything in, breaking up the eggs. You can calm down. It's good, baby. And I'm going to put that in. All right. And so now we're going to put the last thing in, which is our soy sauce. And hubby's going to go ahead and grate that garlic because we want to put the garlic in last, y'all. You know how garlic does. It just
burns.
Yeah, burns real fast. So we always put our garlic in last. And I'm just mixing. And you can do this yourself. You know, I have hubby grating the garlic, but you could just grate the garlic in advance and just mix it on in there. And the key to this is just that nice hot wok or hot skillet, whatever you got working with you. Yeah, we're doing 3 cloves of garlic. Now, if you just want a little subtle flavor of garlic, just go ahead on and do 2. All right, baby, you got it. Okay, guys, so look at there. We at the end, right? Wasn't that quick? It was very quick. And look, I'm going to just go ahead on and dump this in here. Just a few of those spring onions in there like that. And we're ready to go ahead on and plate that up. Just like that. So guys, we're going to plate this up and we're going to taste it for you guys. And we're going to see how it tastes. And guess what? We even got a little leftover rice.
Some more leftover rice.
Some more leftover. All right, guys, we'll be right back. We're going to get it all plated up. Okay, guys, so we're finna plate this up. I want to take a picture.
That's a bowl.
I told y'all this would be fast. I told you all this was going to be real fast. This wok don't play. This wok does not play. Nice and smoky.
Well,
okay. And get hubbies. I know the spoon is kind of small to get everything out, but yeah.
Don't worry, I'm gonna get it.
You gonna get it after the camera's off?
Yeah, she won't let me beat myself.
Yeah, because I know what he would do, but that wok is okay.
Y'all don't know this. This is good.
Baby, it's not going nowhere. It'll be right here for you. All right, guys. So here is the hot. Y'all see this, huh? Baby, why would you put that hot food in your? Okay, go on. You wrong.
Mm-mm. It's good.
Mm.
Mm.
Y'all try this and tell me. I know you'll love it. Tastes so good. That
Anybody
sesame
who
seed
likes
oil.
fried rice,
We love this.
I love that.
Sesame seed oil.
The onion and the garlic go good together. Don't be afraid of the garlic, people.
Yes.
Don't be afraid of the garlic. The onion and garlic is good. No,
Who is it? They don't have no visitors. Come on, baby. Come on. Don't worry about it. Okay. Get your face straight.
Mm.
Okay, guys. So, as I was saying, try it. It is very delicious. And if you like this video, go ahead and give us a thumbs up.
Mm.
And we will see you guys in the next video.